Once your drawing is complete on this sheet of paper, your next step is to choose a color of tooling foil. We have copper, gold, blue, red, and silver. It's your choice. I am going to use blue. This drawing has implied textures, patterns that look like different textures, like soft or scaly or hard. Once we transfer it to our tooling foil, that's going to be an actual texture. We'll be able to feel those patterns. So you're going to need some tape, and you want to tape your drawing to the silver side of your copper, not the colored side. So I'm going to line it up the best that I can. It's not perfect, but it'll work. You're only going to need 2 pieces of tape. So once it's lined up, put a piece of tape on the top and tape it to the back. So right now it's like a door, and then I'm going to tape the bottom so that stays as well. Now we're going to start to trace our design. You're going to need a magazine that goes underneath our foil. This acts as a cushion, and it allows the foil to move as we're pushing it. And you're going to need a colored pen, preferably blue or red, so you can see where you've already traced. And now I'm going to take this pen and I am going to trace over all of my lines. And as I'm tracing, I'm applying a little bit of pressure, but not too much. This foil, if you press too hard, you could poke a hole in it. So you can already see it's starting to raise. And I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to finish tracing all of my textures. Once you've traced over everything, you can double check to make sure you got everything. You can look on the back. When you're ready, peel off the tape. And it's okay if this piece right here rips. So just be gentle. And you can throw that extra sheet of paper and the tape away. Okay, you can see and feel my designs, but I want to make them even deeper and even more textured. So I'm not going to use my pen anymore. I'm going to use a pencil. And if it's a sharp pencil, it's not going to work that well. You want it to be dull. And you're going to trace over your lines again. Now this is where you do want to be careful because you could poke a hole in here. So you don't need a lot of pressure, but just a little bit. So you can already tell that line is you can already tell that that line is deeper. One thing you can do too, like with the shapes. So my triangles, I'm going to go around the edge. And then I'm also going to color in the middle and press out as much of the triangle as I can so that whole shape will stick out. And you can see that right there. And I'm going to do that with all of the triangles. And I'll probably do it with my shapes over here, maybe a few of the circles in this part. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to trace over everything again.